Tonic. It's made by monks from Devon, the Saint Benedictine kind, and they produce this great wee drink called Buckfast tonic wine. It's drank by fucking all sorts, but it's got a right bad rep. You're just a fucking hooligan, or even worse, a Ned. You'll never drink it out of the glass, only ever fear a boattle. Well, what hooligan or Ned do you know that isnae antisocial? I'm not sure why I gets the blame for violent acts of crime, 'cause I just get drunk and chill the fuck out when I'm drinking mine. I've seen the Buckfast challenge, but I haven't done it myself. Maybe that's how I haven't woke up in a random polis cell. Well, actually I have, but it wasn't cause of Bucky. I was just a bittae thug who thought he was fucking Rocky. And I'd say I've grown up since then. I've not had a fight in years. I still like a drink right enough, a bottle of tonic with a few beers. And if rumours are true and the alcohol volume drops, I'll be finding something else to drink 'cause the effects of Bucky will be crap. So I hope my monk mates will stand up for the consumer and fight for alcohol rights. We don't want to drink that Eldorado pish or any other want to be shite. Tonic.